It's a beautiful day here in Miami, and I am at the Bone in Brickell. Today we are going to be presenting to you a beautiful apartment that is located in the 40th floor. It's unit 4007, and it's a fully furnished one bedroom with a den. So come take a look with me.